My name is Eric Findley, and I'm president of Sheret Limited. In 1892, my great-grandfather, Andrew Sheret, a trained mechanical contractor, opened a plumbing and heating store on Lower Fort Street in Victoria. Back then, it was one of the first brick-and-mortar stores in British Columbia. Fast forward to today, and we have branches across every region in British Columbia, with the two most recent additions being in Central Surrey and East Vancouver. Sheret Limited is a trusted local resource for products in plumbing, heating, irrigation, HVAC, pumps, and waterworks. For 125 years, our business has been centered around providing quality products, exceptional customer service, and competitive pricing. These are the fundamentals that have helped us serve multiple generations of mechanical contractors, plumbers, and tradespeople. It was through this success that our company established a second brand, Splash's Bath and Kitchen, a home retail division serving British Columbians looking to find beautiful fixtures such as bathtubs, sinks, faucets, toilets, and showers. Even with the dynamic business climate throughout the years, our growth and success has come from investing in quality, hardworking people.
When I first started working here, for about 3 weeks, I had a senior staff who came up to me and had asked me, how did I like it here? And that was kind of like a way for me to feel like, wow, like I feel important, I feel valued.
With there being a bunch of branches, you can transfer anywhere that you want to move to.
There's a very friendly culture around the company. I think that there's a lot of opportunity to be yourself and to really grow in the company.
Well, I was raised in the company as a family company, and the company's a lot larger now, of course, but it still has those family values.
For our company, an important milestone came in 2001 with the introduction of a share participation plan. We celebrate employee commitment with 5-year anniversaries, where an employee is gifted shares in the company with the opportunity to purchase more. Sheret Limited aims to continue to serve Canadians with a professional and fair approach well into the future.